Hello everybody again. Right, hammers. Now, hammers is a huge topic. Once you get into blacksmithing, you will collect hammers for fun. You will not be able to go to a car boot, thrift store, antique shop, hardware store without picking up a hammer and wanting it. It's just to add to your collection, because 9 times out of 10 you'll find something that you need it for. So use it for that. Right, different types of hammers. My standard one is a £2 ball peen hammer, or engineering hammer. Brilliant thing, crowned it off so it's got no marks going into the steel. I've crowned all my hammers. It's a brilliant tool. It's easy to swing. I do all my main work with it, and then I would move on to my rounding hammer. This one usually used by farriers, but I use it for going round the horn when I'm bending things that are smaller than I need with the £2 hammer. This I use for all the decorative work. I can go smaller. I have got a huge array of hammers, and you will collect more and more and more until you literally have a workshop full. I've seen some collections and they are massive. Each hammer does a different job though. It's like this. I've got a Swedish cross peen hammer, and different styles for different areas of the world. I use that end, the narrower end, for drawing out steel, and I do like this hammer, but it's not my favourite. Mine is my £2 hammer. Now again, I've got a 3.5 pounder cross peen. That is for some really heavy work, but if I'm using that, I've got a team of guys with sledgehammers. Because, yeah, why not? I haven't got a power hammer, so I've got to make do. There is also leather mallets for if you made a twist and it's slightly bent out of shape and you want to bend it back into shape, put it on a wooden block, and use a leather mallet. Won't damage the twist. Same with a wooden mallet. Use that all the time. If you're starting off in blacksmithing, you might just have a lump hammer. Lump hammer's brilliant. Brilliant piece of kit, good for hard work. So you can crown the edges, crown the faces so you've got no marks going onto the steel when you're hammering. It's cool, really nice and cheap, get it anywhere. Eventually you'll start making your own hammers. Now this is one I use for dishing and, well, when I'm making arrowheads and shafts and things like that, I'll use this. So I can go either way. Made this one myself, brilliant piece of kit. I've got set hammers. Now, people make the mistake that these are all sledgehammers. They're not. This one's a flatter. Use it to put on your steel to get rid of hammer marks. So you rest on your steel, hit it when it's hot, gets rid of your hammer marks. Nice clean surface. Really useful tool. I've got several. Square set hammers. Again, if you need to get into a nice small area, but you don't want to damage a certain area, use that so you're higher up. Knock it. Brilliant piece of kit. I've got fuller in ones, I've got hot chisel ones. It's again what you're using it for to suit the purpose. It just makes my life easier instead of damaging another section that could be an inch away from it or a centimetre close. Get in with that, no problems. Yeah, there is a huge array of hammers and set hammers, but each to their own. You will end up collecting them all. I'm well on my way. I've got a huge plethora of hammers. It's quite fun, and I will buy hammers really cheap and I'll use them. Even if it's the same one, it might be able to use it for a different job. I'll get it. Hope this is helpful. See you again.